Hello everyone! There is a particularly exciting topic today. We'll take a deep dive into the world of the largest and most impressive machines ever created by human engineering. I will share with you unique details about these giant machines, how they work, and what they can generally do. Get ready to discover how these machines are transforming landscapes and agriculture, making the impossible possible every day. The Menzi Muck is not just a walking excavator, it's a real acrobat among construction equipment. With its unique ability to adapt to any terrain, whether steep slopes or swampy soil, the Menzi Muck performs tricks that seem impossible for other machines. Clearly, the audience is thrilled by it too. The Allu MultiBooh's crushing bucket redefines the boundaries of efficiency, allowing users to crush, sift, and mix materials at record speeds. This screening bucket can process up to 300 tons of materials per hour, making it an indispensable tool for construction and land reclamation projects where time and quality are critical. Here's another walking giant, the Kaiser S12, which challenges the most difficult terrain conditions with its incredible adaptability and power. This excavator easily overcomes areas inaccessible to other machines, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in construction and landscape restoration. In the heart of winter's splendor, the Øverassen new TV1000 takes on the stubborn snow, turning snowdrifts into pathways to opportunities. This unparalleled snowplow does more than just clear roads and runways. It restores the rhythm of life, preventing blizzards from stopping the world's progress. This sleeper-laying system embodies dreams of speed and connections to remote corners of the world, turning every meter of railway into a masterpiece of precision and reliability. It eases the construction of railways, reducing the time and effort needed to create stable and durable tracks. This mechanical beast is a real pro at harvesting sugarcane. The self-propelled combine has a cool design and technical features that significantly boost its working efficiency. The Sandvik Engine 400 2AI and an innovative drilling machine equipped with a 160 kilowatts electric motor and an automatic navigation system. Its high performance of up to 28 meters per hour and precision in drilling make it an essential tool in the mining industry, and you have to admit, it looks pretty cool, right? Check out how the runway sweeper works. This is not just a tool for cleaning runways. This is a true champion in maintaining cleanliness and safety at the airport. With its innovative features and equipment, it effectively maintains a perfectly smooth surface necessary for the safe takeoff and landing of aircraft. In the world of digging giants, the Leeb HR400-92-50 Super Long Reach holds a special place. Its unusually long boom allows it to reach spots that other machines can't even come close to. Thanks to its technology, it can also operate in aquatic conditions, making it an indispensable tool in various sectors, from mineral extraction to the construction of underwater structures. The Terex RH400 is a gigantic workhorse in the mining world, skillfully handling stone as if it were its natural element. The power and reliability of this equipment make it an indispensable assistant on the most challenging mining sites. No matter how you look at it, This is not just an agricultural machine in front of you. This is the most reliable assistant in the field, effortlessly processing soil and protecting plants. Its precise and efficient movements ensure perfect distribution of fertilizers and protective agents, providing the best conditions for plant growth and development. In front of you is not just a crushing machine. No, it's more of a powerful tool capable of turning large rocks into high-quality building materials. Its high performance and precise crushing power make the Keestrack RH400 an indispensable assistant for producing gravel and crushed stone. The Caterpillar Model 836,000 on the screen goes beyond being just a loader, becoming a real recycling magician. It extracts valuable resources from piles of trash. Its unmatched reliability, agility in maneuvering, and high performance turn each operation into a spectacle, transforming the dump into a source of inspiration for environmental care. You know, the Øverassen ATR 450 is highly valued for its performance, and rightfully so. Just take a look at what it's capable of. Here's something completely new, the Sandvik clever ejector box, as if from another dimension. This smart technology turns the tedious task of setup into real magic, making the progress of unloading goods easy and faster than ever.